Most people buy random coins and call it a portfolio, then wonder why they lose money. In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple, balanced crypto portfolio that actually makes sense in 2025. Why you need a plan. Crypto isn't just about chasing the next big coin. It's about managing risk and building long-term wealth. The good news? You don't need 20 coins, you just need a solid foundation. 1. Or core holdings. Start with your core assets, the backbone of your portfolio. Example allocation. Bitcoin, 50%. Store of value, digital gold. Ethereum, 25%. Smart contracts, decentralized apps. These two alone cover most of the crypto economy. 2. Stablecoins for safety. Every portfolio needs a safety cushion. That's where stablecoins like USDT, USDC, or DAI come in. They let you take profits, wait for dips, and reduce volatility. Example allocation, 10 to 20% in stablecoins. 3. Growth and innovation picks. Next, add small exposure to growth projects, like Layer 2 networks, DeFi, or AI coins. Examples, Polygon, Matic, Chainlink, Link, or Arbitrum, ARB. Tip: keep these under 15% total. Big upside, but also big risk. 4. Diversification rule. Don't go all in on one coin. Think like a professional investor. Keep 70% in proven assets, BTC, ETH, 20% in stablecoins, 10% in new opportunities. Goal: simple, flexible, easy to rebalance. 5. Tools to track your portfolio. Use tracking apps to stay organized. CoinStats, CoinMarketCap, or Ledger Live, especially if you store your crypto in a hardware wallet. Affiliate tie-in. Ledger lets you view your portfolio and stake directly from your wallet, securely. 6. How to rebalance. Crypto moves fast. Rebalance every few months. Sell a bit of what's up, add to what's lagging. It keeps your risk stable. That's how you build a simple crypto portfolio that grows, not one that burns out. Stay consistent, take profits, and protect your assets. Affiliate plug: you can secure your portfolio safely using a Ledger hardware wallet. Link in the description.